Hey guys, welcome back to another fingerstyle ukulele tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to play One Day by Matisyahu. Alright, let's jump in. You guys, there it is, One Day by Matisyahu. It's a little slowed down because it's kind of difficult to play, as you can see. So grab your tab sheets, tab it out, see if you can speed it up and do it better. Alright guys, thank you so much for joining me. Thank you so much for subscribing. Those of you that have your notifications turned on, let me know in the comments. That's cool. And for those of you that are Patreons, thank you very, very much. You have a special place in my heart for your love and support. Thank you so much, everybody who's watching this video, and we'll check you guys out next time. See ya.